Did you know that there's a website where you can download sound effects for free? Yes, it's free. Check it out. Open your favorite browser and go to myinstance.com. And you will find so many sound effects here, and these buttons would allow you to test them first before you download them. Okay, so let's test the anime sound button. Perfect. This oh no no button.
Oh, no, 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 no.
To download, simply click the name of the sound effect and then tap download MP3 and it'll be saved on your device. Once it's saved on your device, you can go ahead and test it and use it on your videos.
Ginagawa mo.
I actually needed the keyboard